Good morning. Okay, today we are checking on our three sisters and we are going to see if our corn is ripe or not. Now there are a few ways to tell if corn is ripe or not, even without having to break open the stalk here and look at all the down here, but a couple ways. First and foremost is look at the ear. If it's tiny and small and that's not right. No. Second thing is look at corn here under the shuck and feel it. If it feels like it's coming to a point, this one does, it's probably not ready to rock and roll. So it should come to a blunt end here as it's maturing. So that's out. Let's check over this plant over here. This one looks much more promising. Now this one here, okay, feel it here, all right, comes to a blunt point right there. See, I'm pinching it. So that's a possibility. The silk should be dried up on the end here. Not, see that? Silk's still wet in here, but that's okay. It's dried up on the in, dried up on the outside, so that's good. Point number 2. All right, so that means we're going to open this up and see what's inside here. Let's get lucky here. Big truck. All right, look at those beautiful little kernels here on that ear. Now I can tell you right now, that is not red yet, but it is close. It's like a yellowish. No, actually it's not yellowish, it's whitish. It should be yellowish. But you want to check to the end of your finger here. And if you just pick it just a little bit, you should see like a yellowish. That's a clearish. So nope. So that is not ready yet. So I'm betting. Now, cover back up. So I'll finish wiping and doing its business here. I'm betting if I look at the rest of these, they're probably all in the same boat. So we're going to look at this one just in case. Blunt. The silk is dry. Nice, there's a big ear. One more. I'm betting it's white also. And it's white. Okay. It's getting there. Very close. I think within the next week or so, maybe even sooner, these will be ready to go. So right now where I'm at, it is getting to be late September. I should get my first frost here in a couple of weeks. So make sure to get these picked and in the kitchen and on the stove. Let's get eating these. All right, that's what we're doing here. Checking our corn. All right, get planting. Good luck. Have a great day. God bless you.